Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making roasted asparagus. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. You will need 2 pounds of asparagus, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Thoroughly rinse the asparagus and cut off the fibrous stems. Place the asparagus in a baking pan and season with the salt and pepper. Next, drizzle with the olive oil and top with the chopped garlic. Add the lemon juice and 1/4 cup of the Parmesan cheese, then mix to make sure your asparagus is evenly coated. Transfer to the preheated oven, then allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Remove from the oven, then top with the remaining Parmesan cheese, and now it is ready to serve. Roasted asparagus is an easy side dish that goes great with just about anything. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.